So this is about first case. If a circle touches x-axis and y-axis, x-axis means g square minus c equal to 0, y-axis condition f square minus c equal to 0, both axes g square is equal to f square is equal to c. Now if a circle intersect at A and B, means made some intercept on x-axis, this is intercept. ఇది x-axis మీద చేసే intercept. If a circle intersect f x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, intersect at on x-axis at A and B, then at A and B, then there exists some intercept. Intercept is different intercept. So అప్పుడు అక్కడ వచ్చిన intercept కి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? Then what is the intercept made by circle on x-axis? If a circle intersect on x-axis at A and B, then the intercept made by circle is AB is equal to AB length, that means the intercept. AB length intercept 2 root over g square minus c, where g square minus c is greater than 0, where g square minus c is greater than 0. In previous one, g square
Hello.
G square minus c is
g square minus c is greater than 0. This is 2g square minus c root over g square minus c is greater than 0 when making intercept on x-axis. Yes. Okay. Now this is on x-axis. Now second on y-axis. If a circle make intercept is this intersect is intersecting. Okay. Intercept, that is we taken as CD is equal to 2 root over f square minus c, where f square minus c is greater than 0. See, f square minus c greater than 0, g square minus c greater than 0 అయితేనే రూట్ లో పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది మనకి. రూట్ లో నెగిటివ్ ఉంటే ఇమాజినరీ, రూట్ లో పాజిటివ్ రావాలి, పాజిటివ్ వస్తేనే పర్ఫెక్ట్, కరెక్ట్. Root over minus is clearly imaginary complex number you will get, and we should get root over whatever it is positive. That's why in bracket we are writing g square minus c greater than 0 and f square minus c greater than 0. If a circle making intercept on x-axis 2 over, that intercept is 2 root over g square minus c. If a circle making intercept on y-axis, then that intercept is 2 root over f square minus c. And the conditions in bracket I wrote you, where the square root over term should be greater than 0, that is here g square minus c greater than 0, here f square minus c greater than 0. Now third one is what? Circle not touching x-axis, not touching y-axis, not intersecting x-axis, not intersecting y-axis. Circle lies in a plane, not touching, not intersecting. Then the condition g square minus c less than 0, f square minus c less than 0, g square minus c less than 0, f square minus c less than 0. If both are less than 0, then the circle lying in a plane. If both are greater than 0, then the circle is intersecting. If this one greater than 0, x-axis is intersecting, and if a circle intersecting on y-axis, this one greater than 0, f square minus g square, f square minus c greater than 0. So these are the three cases which are linked with circle and coordinate axis. So now one question I want to give you, that is that you have in IP also, and that is very important for us. Now Find the equation of the circle. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది మనకు. Find the equation of the circle. When you are reading the question, you should understand that is touching or intersecting, whatever it is. And you should draw the diagram, then it will be very easy to solve. So find the equation of the circle which touches x-axis. Find the circle touches x-axis at a distance of 3 units on x-axis, distance of 3 units on x-axis from origin, and making intercept of length 6 on y-axis, and y-intercept length is 6 units. Then what is the circle equation? See a diagram is saying what? Circle touching x-axis at the distance of 3 units from the origin. This is origin, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. Here the circle is touching, is saying. Then the circle will be like this. This is the circle touching on x-axis at 3 units. Then this point will be 3, 0. And he's saying what? This circle making y-intercept length 6. So it is making y-intercept also. Then it will be like this. Then it will be like this. Why? Because the circle making intercept on y-axis. So this is some B dash anukunna. Then this length is given. What is that length? B dash is 6 units given. This is the center. This is a point where the circle is touching on x-axis 3, 0. Now what is this circle equation? The circle equation enti antunnadu. See, this is radius and these two are perpendicular, and no need of telling you about that here. And see, this is x, this is y. Here you will get x comma y coordinate, right? This is x na, x is clearly 3 comma, what about y? So we have no y. Now see, we will see solution. Circle touching x-axis, therefore g square equal to c. This we have condition already. Therefore g square equal to c. And this is the center, right? Center is clearly minus g comma minus f. Already g we have. What is g? 3. Minus g is 3, not g3. G is minus 3. Why? Because center always what? Minus g comma minus f. But g minus g is 3, na? So g is equal to minus 3. So c is equal to, you will get 9. So keep aside. We will discuss later. Next what? Circle. Let that circle. First you have to write here. Let that circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1. You have to find g, f, c, and f. That is the circle equation. One touches x-axis, then g square equal to c. One passing through a 3, 0. Why? Because touching na x-axis. So what is the point there? Compulsory the circle passing through that point, that is a 3, 0. Substitute 3, 0 in this equation. You will get what? 3, 3 ja 9, y 0, and 2, 3 ja 6g, and this is 0, y 0 plus c is equal to 0. But what is g? C is equal to g square na. So you will get 9 plus 6g plus g square is equal to 0. This is nothing but what? G plus 3 whole square. This is nothing but what? G plus 3 whole square. Why? Because a square plus 3 square, b square plus 2ab, 2 3 just 6b. Then you will get what? G plus 3 is equal to 0. Then you will get what? G is equal to 3. More c and g you need. G is equal to 3. Already we have here. Then c is equal to what? 3 3 is 9. What about f? That's why we have one more condition given. What? Y-intercepts 2 root over f square minus c. This is a formula. Y-intercept formula is given what? 6. Length, y-intercept length is 6 na. So 2 root over f square minus c is 6. 2 3 ja. Then squaring on both sides. Then f square minus c is equal to 9. Then f square minus c is equal to 9, right? So minus 9 taking the step, that is plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Then f is equal to what? Plus or minus root 18. Root 18 means 3 root 2. 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18. So what is the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 3 ja 6x plus 2fy plus or minus 6 root 2y and c plus 3 is equal to 0. Sorry, plus 9 is equal to 0. C is 9, right? Plus 9 is equal to 0. Why we are getting like this means there exists maybe like this also circle touching at 3 comma 0. So that's why we are getting with plus with minus. With plus
Sir,
1 equation with minus 1 equation. Yeah.
here G minus 3, sir.
G minus 3.
G,
Correct? Eh?
yeah.
So, chap
Okay,
correct.
okay.
Chap.
Yeah,
G
yeah.
minus 3.
అర్థమైంది. Yeah, understood, sir.
3 x coordinate is 3 minus G is 3. G is minus 3 but no use. You can do minus 3
Yeah.
whole square as well. 9 అయిపోయింది.
అర్థమైంది. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah,
this
yes,
is
sir.
the question example for the touching and intercept form. And next, what happened? Okay. Next, secant card. And you know already about secant and card. Secant means a line intersecting with a distinct point with end points. That is secant. With not end points. That is secant. With end points. That is card. This is a circle. If a line cuts at A and B, then this is called secant. From A to B point, that is card. So this is secant and chord. I'm not giving more about the secant and chord. Already you know. Next, the equation of the circle with given endpoints of the diameter. The equation of the circle with given endpoints of the diameter. This is the circle. This is the diameter passing through center. If given endpoints AB, x1, y1, x2, y2, then the equation of the circle. Here we can solve in two ways. One way is without using formula. That is what? First find the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is what? C. That is center H comma K. And after finding center H comma K, find the distance from C to B or C to A. That is nothing but what? Radius. Radius is nothing but what? CA కావచ్చు CB కావచ్చు లేదంటే AB distance find చేసి y2 కూడా చేయొచ్చు. That is nothing but radius. After getting center and radius, we have formula of circle equation. X minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the formula. X minus h whole square y minus k whole square equal to r square. That is the formula. That is general form. Now what is the formula? Directly given the endpoints of the diameter. Direct formula what? That is what? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle which is having the endpoints of the diameter. So direct formula kavali. You can take this formula. లేదు నాకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ తో నేను చేసుకుంటా. You can solve through this method. Okay, that is one more. Next, find the equation of the endpoint of the diameter of the circle 1 and its shape. Okay, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి చెప్పేసి ఆపేస్తా. The question is find the other end of the diameter. Find the other end of the diameter. Find the other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. Minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. If one end of it is 2 comma 3, suppose one end is given 2 comma 3, diameter end, one more end is what? So what about x2 y2? For the circle is given. So if you know the center, by using midpoint formula you can find easily what is the center. G is equal to minus 4, F is equal to minus 4, and center is equal to 4 comma 4. This is 4 comma 4. Now let this is then C is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 2 plus x2, 2 plus x2 by 2, comma 3 plus y2 by 2 is equal to what is center, 4 comma 4. Then you can find by equating x and y coordinates what is x2 and what is y2 value. Then what is x2 value? x2 is equal to 2 4 ja 8 minus 2 6. What is y2 value? 2 4 ja 8 minus 3 5. So this 6 comma 5 is one more end of this circle with this one end. Okay, this is today's class, and I will continue tomorrow with some different problems. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, okay. You go and join.